guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I usually do my makeup. Like, it's going to be a natural makeup look. It will be really easy to do, and all the details of the products I'm going to be using in this video are listed down in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. If you find this video helpful in any way, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first I'm gonna start by applying a primer. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. Next I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 128. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, and that's it. I'll just make small dots on my face of the foundation. I find this really helpful. Now I'm just gonna take my wet beauty blender and blend it out with this. Alright guys, so you can see the foundation is completely blended and how natural this looks. I love this foundation. Next I'm gonna use my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Now with the help of the same beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend this out. Alright, so now I'm gonna set my face with this compact powder. Now my face is set, so I'm just gonna apply the blush. I'm going to use this blush. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild. Apply a little bit of it because it's really pigmented. Now my base is done, and Usually I don't do eyeshadows if I'm doing natural makeup look, but today I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeshadow so you can see how it's going to come out. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to use this shade over here. I'm just gonna take the darker shade over here. So my eyeshadow is done. I'm going to use this Essence mascara. This one is my favorite. It just completely changes how your eyes look. I'm just gonna show you. Alright, so my eye look is done. Now I'm just gonna apply a nude lip to complete my look. For lips, I'm using the ColourPop lipstick in the shade Parker. Alright guys, so my makeup look is completed and this is how I look. This is the makeup look I usually go for. Alright guys, so this brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you like this natural makeup look and try it on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Also, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.